Hi friends, welcome to C Language Tutorials. In the previous video, I have covered low level and high level languages. In this video, I will discuss about compiler and interpreter. What is compiler? A compiler converts source code into object code. This process is called compilation. Example, source file a.c converts into a.obj or a.o. It checks the whole program for syntax errors and displays them. Compiled programs run quickly since they have already been translated. The source code must be recompiled every time when the programmer changes the program. It cannot check logical errors. A compiled program is an executable file. Since an executable file cannot be easily modified, programmers prefer to supply executables rather than source code. TCC, GCC are the examples of compilers. All of the object files used in a program must be combined before the program can be run. This is done using a linker tool, which takes one or more objects and groups them into a single executable. Example, a.obj converts into a.exe. What is an interpreter? An interpreter translates source code into object code one instruction at a time. The resulting object code is then executed immediately. This process is called interpretation. Errors can be spotted quickly. Once an error is found, the program stops running and the user is notified at which part of the program the interpretation has failed. This makes interpreters useful when developing programs. Interpreter programs run more slowly. The processor has to wait for each instruction to be translated before it can be executed. Interpreters don't produce an executable file that can be distributed. As a result, the source code program has to be supplied, and this could be modified without permission. Ruby, Python are the examples of interpreter. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you once again.